Hey guys, my name is Erinn Courtney, and today I'm going to show you guys how I retwist or palm roll my own hair at home. Alright, so I start by throwing all of my locks up into a ponytail on the top of my head so that they are out of the way and I can work on the back. Ta-da! Before you guys got here, I started working on the back some so you can see what I've already done. Now that my hair's up, I'm ready to go, I need a few things to start. So for the most part, I part my hair to clean my locks with my finger, and I'll show you how I do that. But if you're better with a tool, with a comb or a lock tool, then you can use that instead. So you need your gels, whichever you use. Sometimes I use a lock twist gel, sometimes I use this alcohol-free gel. It just depends on my mood. A little edge control because I like to slick my baby hairs. And your clips so that you can make sure that your hair actually stays twisted. So we're gonna start with this lock here. As you can see, my parts are all fuzzy. I have hair growing in between. It's a mess. I've let this go on for weeks. So I start by taking my finger and finding my part. I can feel my part between all of my locks. So I use my nail to just separate the hair along the part. And I can feel it start to clean up. See that? My part is clean now in my lock. So I'm going to take a little gel and put it along where I cleaned the lock. What I like to do is take the excess hair that's grown around the lock and twist it around the lock so that it can't get caught up with other locks. After you put the gel on, you want to hold your lock straight out so that it's literally sitting straight out from your head. If you start to twist the lock and it's pulled down, you'll get a bump at the bottom. It won't twist flat. If you hold it up, it'll have a bump at the top. It won't twist flat. So you want to hold it straight out like that and twist. Don't over twist to where it's gonna buckle or pile up on itself. Just twist it enough so that it's tight and that you have everything around it inside the roll like that. So now that we have the lock twisted, you want to take a clip and you clip the lock down to one of your other locks that are already done so that it's secure, that it won't move while it's drying. Here's another lock. So I'm gonna take my finger again, feel for my part, start to pull hair aside that doesn't belong in my part. Take a little gel, hold the lock straight out and twist. And you can use the same clip that you used to clip the last one down. Then you want to repeat this over your entire head. Okay, so I'm probably just gonna put on a scarf and let my hair dry overnight because during this process, it probably took me like 2.5 hours to finish my hair completely, and my hair is pretty dry now, especially on the ends. So if I wanted to quickly be able to take the clips out and have it dry, I would just sit under a hooded dryer for a little while. maybe like 30 to 45 minutes on medium heat, let it dry, take the clips out. But I'm gonna leave mine in overnight, time up, and then take it out in the morning, and it'll be super crispy, super fresh.